4 major updates about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And yes, one of them involves Samsung backtracking on a controversial decision they made with the S25 Ultra. Let's dive in. Camera drama. First up, the camera rumors. Right now, there are 2 conflicting leaks about the S26 Ultra's setup. The first claims Samsung will keep the quad camera layout from the S25 Ultra, but upgrade the 3x telephoto to a 50-megapixel sensor. The second rumor? Samsung might scrap both the 3x and 5x lenses, replacing them with a single 200-megapixel periscope sensor, offering 4x optical zoom. 1 mega sensor to handle all zoom ranges. But here's the truth. The first rumor? Debunked. Ice Universe admitted it was just hopeful speculation. The second leak comes from a less reliable source, but Digital Chat Station, a trusted Chinese insider, also reported the 200-megapixel periscope. Could this be the real deal? Maybe. But until we get solid confirmation, take it with a grain of salt. S Pen Bluetooth comeback? Next, the S Pen. Rumor says Samsung might bring back Bluetooth functionality after removing it from the S25 Ultra. But let's be real, most users didn't even notice it was gone, and Samsung likely saved money by cutting it. So unless fan outrage was way louder than we thought, don't hold your breath for a comeback. Bigger battery and faster charging? Now battery talk. Leaks suggest the S26 Ultra prototype packs a 5,500 mAh cell, with room to grow. Will it hit 6,000 mAh? Unclear. But with rivals pushing 100 watts plus charging, Samsung needs to boost speeds beyond 45 watts. Fingers crossed. Variable aperture upgrade. Remember the variable aperture on the old S9 Plus? It's back, but smarter. This time, the S26 Ultra's main camera will offer smooth aperture adjustments, like a Pro DSLR, for better depth control and exposure. And under the hood? The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Elite 2 is reportedly 41% faster than the Gen 3 in early benchmarks. Yeah, that's a monster leap. S25 Edge delay and software fixes. Quick extras? The S25 Edge launch got delayed to May 13th, likely due to internal shifts after Samsung's DX division chief passed away. And finally, good news. One UI 7 is finally fixing Samsung's janky charging animation. No more 2014-era graphics, display and design tweaks. Now, let's talk about the display. The S26 Ultra is rumored to bring back flat edges. Yes, you heard that right. After years of curved screens, Samsung might finally ditch the slope for a boxier, more utilitarian design. And the panel? A new micro lens array OLED tech could boost brightness by 30% while cutting power consumption. Translation? Even better outdoor visibility and battery life. Oh, and the under-display camera? Still MIA. Looks like Samsung's sticking with the punch hole for another year. AI and software upgrades. With AI being the big buzzword in 2025, the S26 Ultra is doubling down. Expect Galaxy AI 2.0, a suite of on-device tools for real-time photo editing, smarter voice assistant integration, and even predictive app launching. One UI 8 will also introduce dynamic widgets. Think, widgets that auto-adjust based on your location, time of day, or usage patterns. Morning, weather and calendar front and center. Night, music and smart home controls. And yes, finally, a built-in app lock feature for those who want extra privacy without third-party apps. Price and global availability. Now, the million-dollar question, literally. Leaks suggest the S26 Ultra could start at $1,499, a $100 jump from the S25 Ultra. Blame inflation, AI R&D costs, or just Samsung's confidence. But here's the twist. Some markets might get an ultra light model, trimming specs and price for regions where flagship costs are too steep. Pre-orders? Likely January 2026, with a free Galaxy Watch 7 or Buds 3 Pro as an early bird bonus. Competitors and final thoughts. With Apple's iPhone 17 Pro and Google's Pixel 10 Pro also pushing aggressive camera and AI upgrades, Samsung needs the S26 Ultra to stand out. Will the 200-megapixel periscope and variable aperture be enough? Can the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 outmuscle Apple's A19? One thing's clear, 2026's flagship battle will be wild. So, what do you think? Is the S26 Ultra shaping up to be a must-buy, or is Samsung playing it too safe? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Hit the bell so you don't miss my hands-on review when the S26 Ultra drops. Until next time, stay tuned, stay techy,